Guys, how's it going? I wanted to show you all the Creator Voice AI app. So you're going to want to type this into the Chrome Web Store, find it here, and then I've already installed it, but let me just actually do this again. So you're going to want to press Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then it's going to come up here. And then I just like to pin it. So press this icon, pin it, and then I'm going to show you demonstrating it with ChatGPT. So basically, you'd come on here. It may request you, I've already accepted, but it might request you for some permission. So if I reset this, and then it's going to say, allow while visiting the site. There we go. I'm just going to press reload just to make sure it's updated those permissions. And then click the extension again up here. And as you can see, it is transcribing. Bellissimo. Copy with that button and clear text with the other. So what I like to do, for instance, let's say I have a customer service query. Someone will ask, oh, where's my sleep mask? And I'll say, dear Julie, your silk sleep mask has been posted on Monday the 15th of January and it should be with you any day now. I will send over the tracking number shortly. Thanks for your order. Please hold tight. Let me know if any further questions. Then I'm going to copy that and just post it into AI. And I've actually already set up this custom GPT to be trained on my customer service. And there you go. A beautiful email and subject line in about 30 seconds, specifically tailored for your use case. But obviously, use this for notes, use this for summarizing websites in your own word, brainstorming, brain dumping, writing emails directly in Gmail, etc. Word of note, not every single website enables the sidebar extension. I think because it messes with JavaScript on the site, there's certain websites which don't seem to like it. So ChatGPT works it. I recommend going to Notion or find a website that you know. If you're having any bugs, just click on that, change website, and it should work.